of non-reciprocity to improve relations with India's neighbors. Then there has been the policy of Look East, which has now become Act East, to improve relations with the Southeast Asian countries, especially the members of ASEAN. Then recently also the policies such as Neighborhood First policy, Sagar Doctrine, and Free, Open and Inclusive Indo-Pacific, these policies have also been significant in international relations.
How many people have been vaccinated in India as on date?
Sir, around I think 4.4% of the population has been fully vaccinated.
How much does it come to numbers?
I'm sorry, sir, I do not know the exact numbers.
Okay, my last question to you is that supposing you were selected in the IPS and you were DCP of the northeastern Delhi where riots took place last year. If a similar thing happens and you get information in your office that at place X in your jurisdiction there are people who are indulging in violence, throwing petrol bombs, burning buses, shops, injuring people, what action will you take?
So I think my foremost action would be to send the police forces to the spot so that the violence can be stemmed right at that time.
So what will be done? What will be done to stem the violence?
So the people would have to be told that this is not right and they would have to be sent back, and there should be vigilance on that site for at least.
So you will tell people to go back, and do you think these people will go back who are already mad? And if they don't go back, then what do you do?
Sir, first of all, we have to negotiate with the people, or at least try to convince them. But if that does not work, then the police will have to use some sort of force or the tear gas, which is often used to send back the people or to disperse the crowds.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Ria, you are a student of political science.
Yes, sir.
And IR. Good. Can you tell me something about what are the reasons all of a sudden this Chinese army intruded in our territory in East Ladakh?
Sir, I believe there were several reasons behind the Chinese incursion there. First of all, I believe that because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic situation going on, many experts also pointed out that China was trying to showcase its power, that it is still powerful in spite of this. And because of this, it tried to showcase its power in Ladakh also, as it did in Hong Kong, in Taiwan, in South China Sea. And secondly, I believe, sir, that
they didn't enter the Taiwan. They entered only Indian territory. Why so?
Because the Ladakh is also strategic location for China, because it is very near to the.
Point is, why now? Why not earlier? And why did they enter at all? What can be the reasons?
Sir, it happened very recently also in the context of closeness between US and India, especially when the US and China ties are at their lowest point because of various reasons. So because of this closeness also, China wanted to showcase that it is still India's neighbor, and it also has power, especially in the context of armed forces.
Okay. What is liberal democracy?
I'm sorry, sir.
Liberal democracy.
Sir, liberal democracy would mean a form of government which is based on the concept of popular sovereignty, wherein the people have universal adult franchise and they can vote for
Why it is called liberal?
Sir,
democracy I can understand. Democracy you also know. Why we have to put this word liberal before it?
Sir, I believe the word liberal can be put in liberal democracy, which is deriving its principles from liberalism, wherein the people have various rights such as forming various groups, freedom of speech and expression, right to property, and the state will exist in such a form which is mainly looking after the welfare of the people. And
Okay, any other kind of democracy is there? Since we have liberal democracy, so what other kinds of democracy is there?
So I believe that there can be democracy based on other ideologies also, such as feminist democracy or social liberal democracy based on ideology of social liberals.
What is social democracy?
So what? Social liberal democracy.
Social democracy.
Social
liberal.
democracy.
Social democracy.
Sir, I believe social democracy can be understood as a concept where the importance is given to society, its culture and traditions, and people as a community can participate in a social democracy.
Okay. Now they say that something like socialism and communism. What is the difference between the two?
Sir, I believe that socialism is the ideology wherein it is believed that the means of production should be owned by everyone, by the community, and production should happen on the basis of means and not on the